Hi my friends. In this quick video I'm going to show to you step by step on how to bypass Microsoft account on Windows 11 22H2 setup. Okay. Here you can see I don't have a skip option to continue to finish up the installation. So in this video I'm showing the easiest way you fix this error on Windows 11. But before I start, don't forget to subscribe and even share this video with your friends. First, restart your computer. Here select your region and then press yes to continue. On this page, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard. This will open up the command prompt. Then type in this code as it is. Make sure you don't make any mistakes. After, press enter on your keyboard. The Windows 11 or operating system will restart itself. Again select your region and press yes to continue. Choose your keyboard layout and click on yes. Here click on skip. Now on this page you can see I don't have an internet option is on now. Here continue with a limited setup. After that go on complete the setup for your new Windows 11 22H2 setup. That's it. Please don't forget to leave a comment and even subscribe. Have a nice time.